Hi guys, welcome back to MK Sportscars. Well, it's Cup 200 plus time. We've got this here. This car has been built for Peter and all IVA now, but the final job was getting it on the rolling road and tuning because it's a 1440 RLM built engine. And it's got drive-by-wire throttle bodies in it, which is Gen 3 drive-by-wire throttle bodies, different injectors, and a few other bits and tweaks all going on, running on a life ECU and management. So what we did, engine's been built, got it all through the IVA, now gone onto the rolling road, down at RLM, made some really good numbers. But let's head over to RLM now and see how she got on the dyno. Right, well, I hope you enjoyed hearing that Busa engine sing. 11,200 RPM, wicked bit of kit. In fact, on the rolling road, it won't do it in real life maybe, but on the rolling road, because it's had a gear change on this, it's got a taller 5th and 6th gear, and we're running a 314 differential ratio rather than the 338. This thing topped out at 155 on the rollers, 138 in 5th. So she's a little bit spicy, and it made power-wise 201 horsepower at the wheels, which equates to just under 240 horsepower at the calculated fly, as it so to speak, and 147 foot-pound of torque. Running that flat shifter on the gear shift there with a quick shift, flat shift, up shift, everything else, this thing is going to sing on track, but also should have pretty good road manners really, being it's got that taller 6th gear, and that gearing should be able to cruise along at 70 mile an hour quite handsomely. So that's it. If you want to know more about the Cup 200 range or the engines from RLM, then hook us up here at MK Sportscars and we can talk you through the process. That's it for this time, guys. We'll catch you next time.